Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss LT in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides, and down below we do have our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside we have our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll over here on the left hand side, and right below that we do have our dual climate controls. On the right hand side you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, our trailer brake controls here on the left, and of course this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry, remote start, and push to start ignition. In the middle we have some additional storage, as well as down below on the side, 2 cup holders, our shifter, and inside our middle console you'll see we do have our wireless charging pad, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our AC outlet here on the right hand side. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. On the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the built-in rear view camera, and all your other settings here down below. If we take a look up top, we do have our universal home garage opener, our power rear sliding window, and of course our power controls for our lovely sunroof up top. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior leather seats, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle we have our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our 2 vents and 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seat itself we also have some storage compartments, as well as underneath. In the middle we also do have our cup holders, and last but not least we have our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the 1500 Trail Boss, we do have the blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle, of course have our black grille with our black tow hooks at the bottom. Moving along to the side here, we do have our LED headlights and fog lamps. Down here you'll find our 20-inch rims on Bridgestone tires, our Z71 badge up top, keyless entry on the handles like I mentioned earlier, as well as tint in the rear window. Moving along to the side here, if we take a look, we do have the Trail Boss decal on the side of the bed, with our corner assist steps down below on each side. We also have our black exhaust with our spare tire at the bottom. Up top we have our power tailgate. Just press the button one time, it'll come down no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bed liner, and of course our AC outlet here in the right hand corner. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.